Hey guys, today I will show you how to buy SUI tokens through MetaMask. So first what you need to do is open your MetaMask wallet either on the extension or mobile app and sign in. Since MetaMask does not include the SUI network by default, you'll need to add it manually. Go to the network drop down at the top, click add network, and then enter the official SUI RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer link. Once saved, switch over to the SUI network. Next, to buy SUI, go to a decentralized exchange that supports SUI tokens and connect your MetaMask wallet. Choose the token you want to swap from, like ETH or USDT, and then select SUI as the token you wish to receive. Enter the amount you want to buy and click swap. MetaMask will then display a confirmation window. Carefully review the transaction details along with the gas fees, and once everything looks correct, click confirm. After the swap is complete, your SUI tokens will show up in your MetaMask wallet under the SUI network. And that's it. That's how you buy SUI tokens through MetaMask. Thanks for watching.